Williams is committed to being the leader in providing infrastructure that safely delivers natural gas products to reliably fuel the clean energy economy. We serve as an exceptional neighbor in the communities where employees live and our businesses operate. As part of being a good neighbor, we're committed to working with communities and regulators and listening to stakeholders, helping sustain positive relationships over the long term.
Yeah, we worked very hard with the stakeholders, the landowners, trying to alleviate their concerns with the project and try to make everyone happy.
Georgia is another great example. That's where we worked with environmental groups and scientists to protect bats threatened by deadly fungus.
In this case, with population declines of bats, it's almost exclusively due to disease. And so, in order to have the greatest conservation impact, we need to target the cause of those population declines. And that's where Williams has been so pivotal in providing the support that we need to implement these treatments on a regional and geographical scale. Our ability to move forward and actually apply what we've developed in the lab into the field to have meaningful results on bat conservation would not be possible without the contributions of Williams in this case.
In New York City, we restored an historic hangar at the Floyd Bennett Field, once the busiest airport in America.
We had to harden the doors such that they can withstand 110 miles an hour, but still look as if they rolled out of the factory back in 1930.
The effort earned Williams a New York State Historic Preservation Award, honoring excellence in the protection and rejuvenation of New York's historic landmarks.
There's a lot of wow factors, a lot of effort from a lot of players, from government affairs to outreach to engineering to construction. We've had a great team the whole way, and the result shows that.
Whether it's wetlands restoration or the meticulous onshore reclamation, we demonstrate our commitment through our actions, not just our words.
Restoration is a major part of pipeline construction, and when we go through restoration, that really is the goal. Make it as good or better than it was when we found it.
We want to make sure that the people outside our organization can feel our passion and understand our commitment to making sure that all of our pipelines and facilities are safe in terms of their impact to both the public, to the environment, and to our people.